Hello and welcome to Your Average Bear Gaming. I'm George, and today I got a little package from Games Workshop. I know what it is, and since you clicked on the video, you also know what it is. But let's pretend to be surprised. It's not every day we get a new package from Games Workshop. Let's check it out. There we go. Junk. Receipt. Not really junk, but look inside. The Warhammer Red Gobbo and Bounca. I don't have any Orks, but this thing looked so cool. Look at the back packaging. They're positioning it kind of like an ornament. There is absolutely nothing I dislike about this model, at least in concept, right? I haven't seen it yet. So, let's take a look inside to see what's on here, and I'll give you my first impressions. In a later video, I'll build and paint this guy. He just looks so adorable. Alright, let's check inside the package. There's two things. There's the instruction manual in color. So it has all the details on how to put it together. It looks like one of those modern... He's actually got stats. I guess you can play him in the game. I figured he was just a little statue or whatever, but cool. I will take it. It looks like it's got that building arrangement where you put like different parts together, like half the body here, a third of the body there. So let's check out the sprue. There's only one sprue. So here's the sprue right here. It's got a couple of pieces. The biggest one I can see here is the base. It's textured. It kind of looks like sand, but I know from looking at the box art and people talking about this online, it's a snow base. So it's got some ornaments there as details. That's pretty neat. What else have we got here? Well, we've got the Bounca's head, and we've got the hat that goes on the Gobbo. We have the Gobbo himself. Oh, you know what? That hat probably goes on the Bounca. I don't know. It's a hat. Is it? I'll find out when I build it, I guess. It looks like a hat, but it's probably not a hat. This is the Gobbo's gun. Very, very Christmassy, obviously. We've got the Gobbo's feet. We've got the Gobbo's feet separately. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. String of Christmas lights, holiday lights, or whatever you want to call them. This here is one of the Bounca's legs, and it's got some Christmassy elements there. Feels like I'm constantly changing the battery on this camera. Every other time I record, I've got to swap the battery. Anyway, the rest of the pieces. So we've got this, I think that's the cape that the Gobbo wears, little Santa thing. This is part of the Gobbo's body. That's the torso. That's the twig he's holding up. That little Charlie Brown. Oh, that's not Christmas tree. That's the stick of dynamite. Okay, very, very Christmassy with dynamite. Here is kind of the backside of his torso. And that right there is the cape. So, all around, it's a pretty simple model. There's not a whole lot of pieces. Oh, wait a minute. There's two more things. So, finally there, we've got two, it looks like pockets that go on his coat. One of them, I'm pretty, yes. This one right here has a grenade on it, or in it. You know, ho ho ho, MFers. Yeah, cool. So overall, very small model, just a one sprue. It looks like it's going to be one of those high quality sprues that Games Workshop has been making as of late. I'm excited to build it. Yeah, but that will be the contents of a future video. For now, you've been watching Your Average Bear Gaming. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be nice to yourselves and each other. Peace.